Is grind and seal concrete flooring a good option for warehousing? For many facilities, the answer is yes. Grind and seal concrete flooring is a cost-effective way to improve durability, reduce concrete dusting, and create a cleaner, more professional-looking warehouse floor. In this 1,440 square foot project, we installed a grind and seal hybrid coating system designed for high-traffic warehouse environments. The existing coating was mechanically ground down to remove old coatings and prepare the surface for proper adhesion. After repairs we applied an epoxy primer and durable polyurethane topcoat to help protect the concrete from daily wear and abrasion. Warehouse grind and seal flooring systems are a popular choice for storage facilities, manufacturing plants, distribution centers, and commercial spaces, because they are low maintenance, improve light reflectivity, and provide long-term concrete protection without the high cost of thicker coating systems.